Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 and you keep getting this error, Battlefield 6 failed to start, please repair your game installation and try again, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Battlefield 6 easily. So first off, you're going to open up your game's platform, so EA for me, and then you're going to click onto your game here. I'm going to click on Battlefield 2042 as an example, but you'll click on Battlefield 6. You're going to click onto manage here, and here you should have verify games files. So just click onto that and let it verify the games files. And after it's done verifying the games files, now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you don't have any overlay applications running in the background. So any applications like MSI Afterburner, Corsair IQ, RTSS, or even Discord's overlay or Overwolf, you're going to go ahead and close those applications and then try to play the game, and you will see that your game will work correctly and you will not get those fail to launch or fail to start errors in Battlefield 6 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.